Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone swipe up not working. On many iPhone models, the swipe up gesture makes it easier to complete many actions. For example, unlock the screen, activate app switcher, open control center, etc. Though, it's irritating when iPhone swipe up stopped working out of the blue at the lock screen or the home screen, or within apps when you need it most. Finally, you can't enter passcode, access the control center, close apps or go back to the home screen. Don't worry, we'll help narrow down the causes and list some quick and easy ways to solve iPhone swipe up not working issues. Why is swipe up not working on your iPhone? A variety of factors can lead to swipe up unresponsive issues. One is related to the software, including system bugs, OS update failure, low memory, wrong configurations and app glitches. Another is related to the external accessories like misplaced screen protector, phone case and charging cable. In some uncommon cases, an iPhone won't swipe up if the screen is dirty, cracked or affected by water damage. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix swipe up not working on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Work your way down until you get the swipe up gesture to work properly again on your device. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Power off your iPhone then back on. It sounds too simple, but doing a reboot can clear out unknown minor system errors. This is also the go-to troubleshooting step when you can't swipe up on iPhone to enter passcode and unlock the lock screen. Here's how to do it. On an iPhone with home button, press and hold the sleep, wake button. On an iPhone without a home button, press and hold either volume button and the power button together. Drag the slider to the right and wait for at least 15 seconds to let the device power off. Then, long press the power button and let it go when an Apple logo appears. A few seconds later, you should see your iPhone's lock screen. Try to swipe up from the bottom and see if it works and shows the keypad. Use the correct gesture. The swiping up gesture serves various purposes, but its usage scenarios could vary in different phone models. For example, swiping up from the bottom edge to open the control center only works on an iPhone with a home button. On an iPhone without a home button, to activate control center, you'll need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen instead of swipe up shortcuts. So, ensure you utilize the appropriate gesture. Activate access for swipe up gesture. If iPhone swipe up is still not working to perform the wanted function, it's possible that it's not been correctly set up to allow access in specific scenarios. Let's take the control center as an example. Many users complain that they can't swipe up to open the control center on lock screen or when using apps. If you're experiencing the same issue, here's how to confirm if you have access to it. To check the control center access on the lock screen, head to the Settings app. Choose Face ID and Passcode. It'll require you to enter the passcode or to verify your identity, so just key in the correct ones. Locate the Allow Access When Locked part. Switch on the toggle next to Control Center. To check the Control Center access when using apps, open Settings. Choose the Control Center option. Find the access within apps and move its toggle to the On status. You can slide down a little bit to see if it contains the app where you need to swipe up to activate Control Center. Once done, remember to test if the swipe up function works properly after the setup. Make sure the VoiceOver feature is off. If the VoiceOver feature is enabled, it could interfere with some functions, and one is to prevent swipe up from working properly on your iPhone. To avoid this disturbance, take a look at the feature. Just open the Settings app. Tap on Accessibility. Choose the VoiceOver option. In the next screen, turn off the VoiceOver feature if it's in On status. Take off screen protector and phone case. You can start by cleaning the screen protector first. If your iPhone screen is still not swiping up, then remove the screen protector and phone case carefully. It'll also be a good idea to disconnect any accessories that have connected to your phone, including cables, chargers, headphones, etc. Once done, make sure you're not wearing any gloves and swipe up the screen to test if it works. Install a new iOS on your iPhone. Apple releases updates periodically to its operating system to enhance software performance and fix any potential issues. Running an old iOS version may be the culprit when you cannot swipe up on iPhone. To upgrade the iOS to its most recent version, ensure your iPhone has a Wi-Fi connection and is fully charged. Then, follow these steps. Open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update. After the device ends checking for updates and offers a new iOS version available to download and install, just tap the download and install option to initiate the process. Once the update is completed, see if your iPhone can read swipe up and do normal swipe commands. Return all settings to original defaults. Have you recently customized any configurations on your iPhone? If so, it could be the reason why swipe up doesn't work on iPhone. If you still remember what you've adjusted, go there and return the setting to its original defaults. If you have no idea, one useful way is to reset all the settings. Note that doing so will restore all settings to their default state, covering the settings related to network, display, privacy, notification, and so on. The good news is that all the saved data and files won't be affected. Here's how to do it. Still at your iPhone settings app, tap on General. Choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset. Select Reset All Settings. To verify your identity, enter the screen passcode to confirm. Then, the reset process will begin, then complete within a few minutes. Now, test if your iPhone is recognizing finger swipe this time. Take your phone for service. If the issue remains and iPhone's swipe up gesture isn't working, put an eye on the screen itself. Remind yourself if the touchscreen has suffered from any strike or liquid exposure recently. If you can't tell on your own, seek assistance from an expert to perform diagnostics on your iPhone. You can choose to contact customer support and request remote diagnostics. If you live near an Apple retail store or at an Apple authorized service provider, just take your phone there. Just take your phone to an Apple retail store or at an Apple authorized service provider that's near you. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix swipe up gesture that is not working on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.